Is she really cut out for this music industry? You're watching Musical Chairs. So Ariana Grande, who has a couple of hits on the radio with "The Way" and "Popular Song" and many others. Apparently, she was performing on stage on Monday and completely forgot the words. The song "Right There," which she sings with Big Sean, she was singing, and ultimately she had to ad lib, or she had to basically improvise her way through the song because she simply forgot the lyrics. I can't say that she is a bad singer because she is a terrific singer. They call her the next Mariah Carey, and you can actually hear it in her vocals. She can hit those high notes almost in the same way that Mariah can. But hearing this story just so soon after that she lost her vocals by straining them kind of tells me that, to me, she's not ready for the music industry. She doesn't have the discipline. So she forgot the lyrics. Everybody forgets the lyrics. I give her a pass on that. But then she strained her voice enough that she had to recover by not basically straining it by singing and stuff like that. She claimed that she was screaming too much at a party and that caused it. But what I'm thinking is that for someone who just came out with an album and it reached number one on the Billboard 200 list, she's making all these mistakes. What is next for her in her career? If she wants to become the next Mariah Carey, like everybody has been slating her to be, then she needs to have a little bit more discipline in her vocals and a little bit more discipline off stage as well. So, what is your opinion on this? She forgot her lyrics. What was the last thing you forgot? Matter of fact, I wrote down the script and I completely forgot it when it came out on screen. So write us your answer in the comment section below. Tweet us your answer. Keep the conversation going on our Facebook page. My name is Silva, and this is Musical Chairs from So Active.